Okay, so I think that this workshop has been really fun for me, and actually I'm really quite interested to see Dr. Ariel's book that is coming out, and also checking out the software that has been introduced to me.
This workshop really opened up a lot of new things for me. I mean, initially having a very basic knowledge of MATLAB and very feeble knowledge of FEM, this actually opened up a lot for me, especially when you guys brought in. I think the only unique thing was when they brought in the real life problem, and then they used the software, and that really completed the.
Okay, this is my first time joining the workshop, like this kind of workshop as well. It's kind of a very good experience for us to actually know about like how we can use MATLAB to develop the knowledge on the finite element method. Yeah, it's kind of new for us, and yeah, we really enjoy that a lot.
Okay, so first of all, it's very nice the way you guys put it. The first session was just introductory of theory, and it is a very simplified form where you put the bar problem.
Yeah.
You put the bar problem into an ODE presentation. After that, you try to solve it. So even before that, you try to very much introduce the formulation, how we segmentize them or we present them in an approximated solution. So from there, you worked on towards weighted residual problem, and then you introduce finite element method. So it's very much a soft approach towards finite element method. From there, you brought us to truss problem. From bar problem, from just 1D bar problem, then you introduce X and Y towards 2D environment, then you solve the whole breach problem. The whole thing was very nice. So it is very much approachable. At the same time, a mixture of theory and programming was excellent.
Saya rasa macam benda ni sangat baru dan bagus untuk belajar lah. Numerical method ni sangat penting untuk masa depan, yang di mana dia lebih menjimatkan kos, dan walaupun dia agak kos agak tinggi dengan kita punya komputer mungkin apa-apa, tapi dia boleh pakai banyak kali lah, maksudnya non-destructive.
It's kind of interesting for the students especially, right? And then we are kind of doing coding in modeling, something like that. And then by FEM and numerical analysis, and then introduce back about the theory, and then refresh back about that. So it's good because I learn our theory first, after that we are doing the coding. So it's good.
Okay.
Belajar je tu method tu, tapi yang finite element method tu memang tak terasa. So memang baru lagi. Tapi okey lah, boleh adapt lagi lah. So contoh kalau yang macam saya buat master, walaupun tak masuk pun tak lah.
Sentuh bidang ni lah.
Okey lah, maksudnya nampak lah dia tu. Boleh lah nak ambil, nak tahu knowledge tu boleh lah.
Boleh lah kan?
Boleh lah.
I think it is a very good workshop because even though people come from different background, but still without zero knowledge, and we can still understand what is FEM, and without knowledge on MATLAB, we can still know how to cook, and that is very good because it is a very hands-on workshop. So I think the best part of this workshop is that everyone is very helpful to each other. The facilitators are very thoughtful of others, and when they say that if you don't know anything, you can ask. So that is very nice of them. So
Initially when I came over here, so I was not aware of the MSNM is the first workshop I attended here, and in fact the first workshop in Malaysia. So I really enjoyed the course, especially the MATLAB live script where it explains step by step, and simultaneously it gives you the codings, and then you see the output of the result. So in fact it was very worth coming all the way from Perak to Johor Bahru, and especially the president's speech, heartwarming speech, and he inculcated the confidence and every facilitator, every step by step. So I enjoyed it very much, and I think this should be happening more again and again, and there should be more workshops. So because we are still in the beam problems, we need to go back to still in the 1D problems, truss problem. We need to go to beam, the frame. So more and more, if it keeps happening, So we also get confidence in our research, and as a PhD student I'm really happy of joining this workshop, and I'm hoping to see this workshop happening again and joining them soon.
So yeah, PhD.
It's fine, but I really enjoyed the workshop. It was an amazing experience.
So thanks for your
Di sini saya dapat satu ilmu baru lah. Walaupun saya bekerja bukan dalam bidang finite element sekarang, tapi as structure engineer, in future maybe we can use this knowledge to apply to our company.
If there is any MSNM activities after this, are you going to join or are you going to promote MSNM to others?
Yeah, of course. Definitely, I think because of especially in fluid flow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm interested in that part.
Saya akan join lah sebab dia sangat menarik dan ada kaitan dengan apa yang saya belajar lah.
I'm hoping to attend the coming up workshops that will be conducted by MSNM.
Definitely, it's a good prospects in the future. Definitely, I'll come.
Definitely we will come.
Any updates on next MSNM workshop? Please update on the Facebook.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.